It is amazing that music can be written down. Listen to this. The invention of musical symbols and notation goes way back to ancient times. Without it, this or any other music cannot be preserved. This particular piece was created by a deaf composer. If one does not need ears to compose music, then what good is it for painters? Perhaps that's why 50 years later the painter Van Gogh would let his ear go for a self-portrait. At about the same time Beethoven's Ninth Symphony premiered, a book came out. It was a strange book written by a teenager. It was called Method of Writing Words, Music and Playing Songs by Means of Dots for use by the blind and arranged for them. The system was invented blind people could read. The representation of geometry using algebraic symbols came in 1637. The new revolutionary method known as analytical geometry would pave the way for modern math. Pierre de Fermat and René Descartes independently came up with the idea and published their work in the same year. The idea is to combine two of the greatest work in math, Euclid's Elements and Khwarizmi's Algebra. Today, we attribute analytical geometry to René Descartes, who is also known as Cartesian. René Descartes' main advantage was the use of new symbols which he invented himself. Symbols like X and Y that was never seen before. Here's an example. This is the solution to a cubic equation, more accurately, the cubic diminished equation. Previously, this is how it would be shown. Complete description. It is very difficult for us to understand what this is. This is the Cartesian version. This is the equation and this is the solution to that equation. Today we write it like this. The difference between these two is not much. One, this fish shape is the equation that we use today. This symbol is the cube root of today. This QQ is today written as Q squared. René Descartes had another advantage. While Fermat used one number line, René Descartes came up with a brilliant idea of using two number lines, one horizontal and another vertical.